I mean, it looks like a chip. Ooh. Okay. Wow. That's amazing. What's up, guys? Back for part 2 of the Davao City snack taste test. So if there's anything in Davao that you think I should try, let me know. I'm going to be going back there soon in August. I don't know when this video will come out, but in August I'm actually moving to Davao City. So for my last visit in June, I picked up a bunch of treats at Apo ni Lola. The first one was like durian flavored snacks. This one is different snacks they had there that I haven't had before. So we're going to give them a try. If there's anything I missed or anything you think I need to try next time, let me know and I'll try to get it into a video. So today we have more like candy bars, piaya, some banana chips, and some hopia that I got in Davao. So let's start. Why don't we start with the hopia? This is from Davao Star Bakery. It's in downtown Davao. This is their mongo, which is like a red bean. They're even all like stamped. They're supposed to be like, hopia is like the Filipino version of moon cakes. Let's give it a shot. Very dry. I thought it would be more moist in the middle. It's kind of like a dry cake. It's like a dry, crispy shell with a dry cake inside. Like the hopia are kind of dehydrated a little bit, or the mongo inside. Honestly, it's good. It does taste a little bit like beans, but it's nice. I don't know if I would like eat a ton of these, but for me it's like a 6.7. It's solid. I would eat them again if somebody bought them. I might take these to the orphanage where I volunteer, give them out to the kids. All the leftover candies from my last video will go to the orphanage as well. I go there about twice a month and give stuff out. So whenever I can get stuff they don't get a chance to try, normally I like to bring it to them. They love that. We play games and stuff so they can win prizes and try new candies. So we have 3 chocolate bars. Let's try, we have a mango chocolate bar this time. They all come in this nice foil pouch, which is very much appreciated because it keeps it nice and fresh. Even though it has a little tear. I go to the gym all the time, but these are so tough I can't even get in. Let's try the other side. There we go. Ah, it's in foil and in plastic. I thought it would. Oh, it's a mango bar, not a chocolate bar. It does smell very good, very mango, very fresh mango. Oh, it's so soft. It's just mango, condensed milk, and milk powder. That's why it just melts instantly. It's kind of like caramel a little bit, but not as chewy. Okay. I mean, it tastes like if you had mango and you put sweetened condensed milk on it. It tastes just like that. Kind of like a mango float a little bit, honestly. That's really nice. I mean, that's like a 9.2 out of 10. That's amazing. I got a lot of sweet stuff. Let's try another bar. I'm going to save the mangosteen because I probably going to like that one a lot. So let's try the lanka. Hard to get into this one's bad boy as well. I will give it to them. They're very well sealed, very well preserved, which keeps it fresh. This is the lanka, which is jackfruit. Again, it's like a little taffy. I thought these were chocolate. I really am surprised. Oh, it smells just like jackfruit too, which makes sense. Jackfruit has a very like rich. Oh yeah. A very rich, creamy texture. This is excellent. I mean, if I was going back to America, I would definitely take some of these back as pasalubong for people because it's just so nice and it tastes just like the fruit. which is good because sometimes it's hard to get the nice fresh fruit flavors. And America has tropical fruit, but it's not super fresh because it's hard to grow in America. Let's break up the sweetness. I got some banana chips, but these are sour cream flavored. They had a few different few different flavors. I thought sour cream and onion sounded the most unique. It does smell like sour cream and onion. I mean, it looks like a chip. Ooh. Okay. Wow. That's amazing. I mean, super, super strong sour cream and onion. You get a little bit of the banana, but it's honestly amazing. Banana, vegetable oil, and sour cream. So they fry the bananas and they toss them in sour cream and onion and a lot of the powder too. It tastes just like some American sour cream and onion chips. So I think I'm gonna eat all of these. These are amazing. This is 9.5 out of 10. I mean, as close to perfect as I think I could get for a banana chip. When I move back there, I'm gonna have to get some more flavors because this is super, super nice. That's really great. I have some piaya. Piaya is like kind of like a stuffed pancake that they make here. They actually have a place in the SM supermarket near me where they make them fresh, and you see a little lady grilling them. They look just like pancakes, but they're stuffed. This one even has nice sesame seeds, and I don't know if you can see the coloration. This is the mangosteen, which I really like. Smells nice and fresh. Little blue mangosteen filling inside. What's in here? Flour, mangosteen, yema, butter, eggs, sugar, milk, salt, and sesame seeds. I mean, could not be more natural than that. It's really good. It's not heavy mangosteen flavor. It's kind of like crispy phyllo dough. I mean, it really does taste like a very crispy pancake stuffed with fruit. So, I mean, you can't get much better than that. It's really nice. The sesame seeds on top are nice, and it's got like an egg wash to make the nice hard topping. I don't know if you can hear that. We'll see if it comes across in the audio. But that's amazing. All of these have been really good snacks. I'm not really upset by any of this. We got one more, the mangosteen bar. I love mangosteen. I didn't know that I liked it this much until I went to Davao. This one came over nice and easy. Ah, yeah. Dark, very dark purple. Very, very dark purple. Smells like mangosteen. Oh, yeah. Delicious. Creamy. I mean, just perfect. It's like cake frosting that someone made firm into a bar. But I don't know if you can see, like, it's still kind of gooey inside, but it's just like frosting. Wow. That is sinful. Oh, so good. Wow. Okay. That's almost too sweet, which is a hard thing for me to say. I love sweet stuff. All of these have been great. I think the mango is like a 9 out of 10. The piaya is 8.5 out of 10. These have all been great. I think the sour cream and onions are my favorite though. I was very surprised. I wasn't expecting that to be so delicious, but they're great, man. If you get a chance to go to Davao City, Apo ni Lola is apparently a very popular pasalubong store. We went to a huge one. I actually have a video of it that'll be coming out sometime soon. And I mean, they had everything there. They even sell ube pie. They sell coconut pies, jackfruit pies, fresh jackfruit, frozen durian, fresh durian. So if you're looking for treats and you go to Davao City, which is like the southernmost large city in Mindanao, Stop by there and see what you can get. If there's anything I missed in Davao City, guys, let me know and I'll try to get it into my next video. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.